this is my friend going down an extremely enormous hill. What the heck happened to that kid? Holy crap. Let's go, another run! Let's go, my turn! Here. It's my run now. Let's do this. I wipe out usually worse on him, so be ready for this. It's gonna be radical. Look at this snow, look at this. Look at this. Look at that ramp. Look at it. Yeah! Okay, here I go. I'm going on a different sled. You went on this sled? Right here?
Tyler.
That one?
Tyler.
I'm going on this sled.
Hey, Tyler.
Woo!
Tyler.
Okay. There's my friend. Here we go.
We don't take this.
Do this.
This is a snowball.
Here I go. Man. That hurt. Oh, that hurt. Whew. Oh, that hurt. My butt knuckles.